Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to summerproof your makeup so that you can stay fresh all day without getting oily or sweaty. I'm first cleansing my face with Bioderma. It effectively removes all the previously applied makeup, sunscreen, dirt, etc. Now I'm using a toner because it keeps the facial oils under control and also tightens the pores in my skin. Now I'm applying moisturizer on my face. It makes sure that my skin is hydrated all day long. If you're heading out in the sun, wearing a sunscreen is very important to protect your skin. Let's start with the makeup. Now I'm priming my skin so that the makeup stays for a very long time. I'm using another primer so that this keeps all the pores in my skin tightly closed and keeps it oil and sweat free. I'm first correcting the darkness under my eyes. And now I'm applying a concealer which perfectly matches my skin tone. With the same concealer, I'm concealing the dark spots and pigmentation on my skin. I'm gently blending all the concealer that's been applied and blend it all over my face, and I'm going to skip the foundation. I'm setting my under eyes with a translucent powder. It's okay to apply a little extra. We can dust it off later. I'm setting my entire face with MAC Studiofix powders. Please check my description box for all the product details and brush numbers. I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base and setting it with powder. I'm just filling my crease area with a soft brown eyeshadow. I love to use lip brushes to apply lipstick because they give so much precision and control to application. So now you're good to go out in the sun. Have fun!